Hello friends, today we will solve a difficult and advanced question of square root. Let's see how many of you can solve this square root question which is so advanced and it has a very difficult level. So let's start. This is the question which says under root x plus under root 2x minus 1 equal to 3. Let's see how many of you can solve this by your own self. Let's go step by step. First, we will square both sides. So after squaring, what we will get? First, we will square both sides, and then after squaring, we will get x plus under root 2x minus 1 equal to 9. Why 9? Because when we are squaring both sides, so this big square root will be removed, and square of 3 square will be equal to 9. And then the second step, what will be it? We will isolate the inner square root. Inner square root is this, so we will isolate it. Inner square root, so square root of 2x minus 1 equal to, when x will move to right hand side, so its sign will automatically become a negative, so 9 minus x. Okay, so the next step is what we will do, then we will square both sides again. What and after squaring both sides, what we will get, so this square root will be removed, and we will be left over with 2x minus 1 equal to 9 minus x, which is 9 minus x whole square, because we are squaring both sides. Then we will expand the right hand first, and the left hand will be written as it is. So 2x minus 1 equal to 9 minus x. When we will expand it, so we will get 81 minus 18x plus x square. We will get plus x square. Then we will bring all terms to one hand side. Bring all terms to one side. So after bringing it, we will get 2x minus 1 minus 81 plus 18x and minus x square. The right hand side, all signs will be changed into an opposite signs. Okay, then we will collect like terms and solve further. So after collecting like terms and solving further, we will be getting 20x minus 82 minus x square equal to 0. How 20x? Because 18x plus 2x will be 20x, and minus 1 minus 81 will be minus 82, and minus x square will be written as it is. Then we will rewrite it to the power of 2 then 1. So minus x square plus 20x minus 82 equal to 0. Then what we will do, then we will multiply by minus 1. Then we will multiply by minus 1, because we have to remove the minus sign from the x square. So it is must to solve if you are solving with quadratic in further, so you have to make the power of x square always, the coefficient should be in positive. So we will multiply it by minus 1, so we will then get the answer x square minus 20x plus 82 equal to 0. Then what we will do, Now we have got the equation of the quadratic form. Now what we will do, now we have get the equation of the quadratic form, then we will substitute in the quadratic form. So the formula of the quadratic is minus b plus minus, so I am doing it directly. So minus 20 plus minus under root b square. In b square we will be written minus 20 plus minus 20, then square root plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. So b square will be minus 20 square minus 4a will be minus 20 and c will be 82. Oh yes. Now after solving it the whole, after solving after solving the whole So after solving the whole quadratic formula, the final answer of x, because we are finding the value of x. So the final answer of the x after solving the quadratic formula will be left over with x equal to 10 plus 3 under root 2, or x equal to 10 minus 3 under root 2. So now I am telling that what is the reason of writing two values of x. Why the reason is? The reason behind is that we are writing in 2. Why? Because in quadratic, if you see that here there is plus minus 2, plus and minus. So when we will get the value of square root, let for example, when we will get the value of square root, which is 72. So when 72 will come out, so it will have the sign of both plus and minus, it will have the sign of both signs. So that's why we write the answer in two forms, in one in plus and one in minus. 10 plus 3 under root 2 and 10 minus 3 under root 2. This is how we can solve this square root the square root question, advanced question, which is so tricky, but it can but if you follow the rules of algebra, if you have learned in grade 7 or 8, it is so easy and it is a piece of cake, so you can solve it within 5 minutes. So this is how we can solve this square root tricks. Always remember that if the question says to solve, if the question says to solve, because if the question says that x plus under root x plus under root 2x minus 1, so the unknown variable which is in question is x, so we can solve easily the value of x, so we can solve it easily. So I hope that you have reached to the point, and I have told the easiest method to solve the square root trick. So be updated for more videos of difficult and advanced square root questions, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Umar's Learning Hub to be updated for more interesting questions, and don't forget to like if you felt this video interesting or amazing. Thank you.